Elena and Darius, today you will begin a new life together. Your relationship will be strengthened and deepened. As marriage is the special sharing of two lives, a sharing which should not diminish, but rather enhance your individuality.
I forget I wasn't listening. Forget all.
Elena and Darius, here you will declare your love and commitment to one another. And it is especially important that this ceremony is taking place in Bali.
Lost in the evening rain. You're all I wanted. You're all I wanted. Don't get up.
Darius, in taking Elena to be your wife, do you promise to love and accept her for the person she is and to remain beside her always?
Yes, I will.
Safe place for
Elena, in taking Darius to be your husband, will you love and accept him for the person he is and to remain beside him always? Thank you. Then to me, now I declare you husband and wife. Congratulations, you want to celebrate with a kiss. Kiss your bride.